To prepare tertiary butyl ethyl ether, which haloalkane and alkoxide should be used? To prepare tertiary butyl ethyl ether, which haloalkane and alkoxide should be used in Williamson synthesis?
স্যার ওইটা
This
আবার বলবে
to prepare tertiary butyl ethyl ether. This is tertiary butyl group. This is ethyl group. To prepare tertiary butyl ethyl ether, that means its IUPAC name is 2-methyl 2-ethoxy 2-methyl propane.
স্যার which haloalkane
Which haloalkane and alkoxide should be used to prepare this? Justify your answer. You can write, to prepare this ether, we must use this alkoxide, that is sodium tertiary butoxide or potassium tertiary butoxide, and this haloalkane. To prepare this ether, we must use sodium tertiary butoxide or chloroethane or bromoethane or iodoethane. Why? Later we'll see why. If we take this haloalkane, then product will be alkene, major product. Now the reaction is CH3 sodium tertiary butoxide plus CH3CH2Cl. The product will be the required ether. The product will be the required ether plus NaCl. Now you write, we must not use. Written now? Have you written? To prepare tertiary butyl ethyl ether, we must use this. We must not use tertiary butyl chloride, that is 2-methyl 2-chloropropane and sodium or potassium ethoxide. We must not use it, because in this case you write the major product will be alkene, because this carbocation is very stable and it will behave as alcoholic sodium or potassium hydroxide. So here the major product will be alkene. We must not use this, because here we will get the major product. The major product will be 2-methyl propene. 2-methyl propene plus the beta elimination will take place, because this carbocation is very stable. So here alkene will be the major product. Byproduct NaCl, and it will form CH3CH2OH. So here we'll get the major product as alkene. Clear now? Why? Because this carbocation is very stable. CH3, this carbocation is very stable. So it will undergo beta elimination reaction. So this is beta carbon, or this is beta, all are beta, and beta hydrogen will be eliminated, forming what? So this beta hydrogen will go and making double bond. The product will be this one, 2-methyl prop in. So always we should take generally bigger alkoxide and smaller haloalkane. Suppose you see in your NCERT book it is given to prepare 2-methyl 2-methoxypropane, which haloalkane and alkoxide should be used. We must use tertiary butyl bromide and sodium methoxide, not tertiary butyl chloride, and we must not use this sodium methoxide. We must use sodium tertiary butoxide and bromo या chloromethane. Clear na? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Because the
Sir,
tertiary butyl carbocation is very stable and it will go via that intermediate. So the product will be, major product will be alkene through via a beta elimination reaction. Understood? Yeah, Yaslin? To prepare.
স্যার অ্যালকিনের রিজনটা কি স্যার অ্যাজ টারশিয়ারি কার্বোক্যাটায়ন ইজ ভেরি স্টেবল and
Beta elimination.
তারপর and beta elimination will form the result.
Will take place, and this is the beta elimination will take place, and it will behave as an alcox sodium or potassium alcox, that is it will behave as alcoholic NaOH or alcoholic KOH, and it will beta elimination take, because here tertiary carbocation is very stable. This is the main thing, and it will go via this intermediate. But in the previous case you see sodium or potassium tertiary butoxide, that will not give that type of carbocation, and it will go via direct nucleophilic attack to haloalkane.
so ये
Sir,
9
একটু দাঁড়াও
hyper form না স্যার এখানে তো 9 হাইপার কনজুগেশন ফর্ম হবে না স্যার যেটা বিটা এলিমিনেশন হচ্ছে ওখানে তো 9 হাইপার কনজুগেশন ফর্ম হবে না
That is why it is very stable. That is a good. 9 hyperconjugation forms are sp2 hybridized. 9 hyperconjugation form is very stable, and tertiary carbocation always will undergo beta elimination very fast in presence of alcoholic NaOH or KOH. It will behave like alcoholic NaOH or KOH. Here, beta hydrogen will be eliminated, forming alkene. Similarly, now you say to prepare anisole, that is methoxybenzene. To prepare methoxybenzene, OCH3, which reagent should be used in Williamson synthesis? This one you have noted, na? Hello, Riddhi, Devapriya, Yaslin, Akash,
স্যার এই
Chitra.
উপরেরটা মেজর প্রোডাক্ট না?
This one is the major product. It is just I have shown beta elimination will take place, because here carbocation is formed and beta elimination will take place. This carbocation is very stable. This is the major product. So we must not use tertiary butyl chloride and sodium or potassium methoxide. We must use sodium or potassium tertiary butoxide and haloethane or chloroethane, bromoethane, iodoethane, etc. Clear, na? Clear? Devapriya?
Yes sir, clear.
Okay. Now
স্যার
you
কোশ্চেনে কি
say,
উইলিয়ামসন বলে লেখা থাকবে
to prepare this which haloalkane and which alkoxide, that means Williamson synthesis, or which reagent is used in Williamson synthesis, direct question, or which haloalkane and which alkoxides are used, that is Williamson synthesis. Now you say, just simply think, to prepare anisole, that is methoxybenzene. Anisole, methoxybenzene. Which reagent to be used in Williamson synthesis? To prepare anisole or methoxybenzene, which reagent to be used in Williamson synthesis? Now we must use, one must use this one, sodium phenoxide, O negative Na positive, sodium phenoxide, sodium salt of phenol, it was alcohol, now it is sodium salt of phenol, Na plus CH3Br. This will attack this, although it is an SN2 attack because it is a primary haloalkane. But we must not use what? Haloarine, because haloarine is very stable due to
Resonance.
we must not use haloarine. And sodium methoxide, we must use sodium phenoxide plus CH3Br. It gives the required ether, that is anisole OCH3 in Williamson synthesis. We must not use what? We must not use haloarine. Haloarine and CH3ONA. Why? Because it is very stable due to chlorobenzene is very stable due to chlorobenzene is very stable due to what?
Resonance.
So,
So to prepare anisole, this question I have seen in CBSE board exam, predict the product. Sodium phenoxide plus CH3Br or phenol CH3Br NaOH. The product will be anisole, major product. Always
So এটা কি উইলিয়ামসন রিএজেন্ট?
Hello? Huh?
তো এটা কি উইলিয়ামসন রিএজেন্ট?
Williamson? Sodium phenoxide, sodium ethoxide, sodium alkoxide, haloalkane. Just now you told na Williamson synthesis, Riddhi just answered, sodium or potassium alkoxide, it is phenoxide. There is alcohol, it is phenol, is treated with haloalkane, it gives ether. Got it na? Here chlorobenzene should not be taken, this is very stable due to resonance. One more method is there. You say what happens when alcohol is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 443 Kelvin. That mechanism also we did.
sir,
Alkene is formed.
sir,
That
alkene
mechanism
is formed.
first protonation, then carbocation formation, then beta elimination. In another say it was now you write from alcohol when excess alcohol is heated with sulfuric acid at 414 Kelvin or 13 Kelvin. Second, two methods are there from alcohol. When excess alcohol is heated with, its mechanism is also important, is heated with concentrated sulfuric acid at 414 Kelvin or 13 Kelvin. That is 100 কত Kelvin centigrade, 143 degrees centigrade, no? No, 41. No, 40 or 41.
Sir, 140.
Or 413 Kelvin, 140 degrees centigrade. In some book it is given 140. It gives ether. ethoxyethane. So this mechanism also important. So in the 3 set, if they would like to set one question on mechanism, suppose in one set, in Devopriya set it is given, write the mechanism of hydration of alkene to alcohol. Suppose in Subrojyati's set, it is given, write the mechanism of dehydration of alcohol to alkene. Suppose in another set, Riddhi or Subir set or Shivani set, it is given, write the mechanism of formation of ether from alcohol. Got my point? Same type. So here you write mechanism, steps number 1, mechanism. Just you put some gap. Let us do the mechanism, then you will write the steps. First step you see, sulfuric acid will dissociate. Steps you will write. You keep some spaces blank. Matlab. Sulfuric acid, first step dissociation H plus HSO4 minus. Okay. Now, the first step you say, what is the first step? Protonation of?
The protonation of alcohol.
Just like the previous one. It gives CH3, CH2, O positive, 1 lone pair, hydrogen, hydrogen. Now it will take electron, it will go as water. Step 2, step 2.
Sir, attack of carbocation.
Step 2, first step, formation, protonation of alcohol and formation of carbocation. Okay. Second step, nucleophilic attack by another alcohol molecule, CH3, CH2OH. This will attack. Hello. One alcohol will also act as nucleophile because oxygen has 2 lone pair. It will attack this carbocation. And in the previous mechanism we have seen here, what would happen? Beta elimination, forming alkene, na? Hello.
Hi, sir.
Huh? So here this adduct is formed, CH3, CH2OH, positive. Here CH2, CH3. This oxygen lone pair will attack here, and this oxonium ion is formed. Now it will, last step is elimination of proton, and it gives ether, CH3, CH2O, CH2, CH3 plus H plus. Last step is elimination of proton. Well, steps you write. First step, protonation of alcohol and formation of carbocation. Second step, attack by alcohol, nucleophilic attack by alcohol to this carbocation. Third step, deep protonation or proton elimination and making it neutral. Matlab. Got my point?
Sir, second step ta ki chilo?
First step, protonation of alcohol and formation of carbocation. Here of this. You can write one by one. I have written this way. Second step, nucleophilic attack of another alcohol molecule to this carbocation. Second step, nucleophilic attack by alcohol to this carbocation. Then it is formed. Third step, deep protonation or elimination of proton, forming ethoxyethane. In the last year also, in one set it was there. Write the formation of ether from ethanol. There is also dehydration, but in this case, instead of alkene, we are getting ether. Got it now?
The last step ta ki deprotonation.
Deprotonation, ये proton. देखो, here oxygen is positive. Here oxygen is positive because the oxygen given lone pair and forming bond with CH2. So this
Yes, sir.
oxygen get positive. So how it will get stabilized? It will be stabilized by removing proton H plus. Actually in your book it is given water will carry this H plus. You need not write this direct, you can show H plus. Got my point? In higher class, generally mechanism we do like this, in this way. So no need to write water, it will carry proton and giving hydronium ion. That you can do, but no need to, direct you can write. The first step, protonation of alcohol. Second step, uh, and formation of carbocation. Second step, nucleophilic attack by another alcohol molecule. Third step, deprotonation. Understood now? Subir?
Yes, sir.
So I have just made 3-4 mechanisms. These mechanisms are very important. First one you see from alcohol, hydration of alkene to alcohol. Second one from alcohol to alkene. And third one from alcohol to ether. Clear now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So these are the two important methods for the preparation of ether. First one by Williamson synthesis. Second one from alcohol. Now from ether, some explain why type question you can write. Very simple. Generally they said number one, why ethers are less soluble in water than alcohol, right? Why ethers are less soluble in water than alcohol? Explain why. Number one, why ethers are less soluble in water than alcohol? Clear now? Why ethers are less soluble in water than alcohol? Number two, electrophilic substitution in aromatic ether takes place at ortho and para position. Electrophilic substitution in aromatic ethers take place at ortho and para position. For the CBSE board exam, these 2-3 questions from ether you can say. Number 3 you can write, ethers are polar in nature. Question just you say, read out. Hello, number 1.
Sir, why ethers are less soluble in water than alcohol?
One more question you can write, ethers have less boiling point than alcohol. All are in the light of hydrogen bonding you can explain. You write, number 1, in alcohol, extent of hydrogen bonding is very high. In alcohols, with comparable molecular mass, definitely in alcohol, extent of hydrogen bonding, extent of intermolecular hydrogen bonding
It is question number 1 answer.
question number 1, why alcohols are more soluble in water than ether? Extent of hydrogen bonding with water is very high compared to ether. So the alcohol ROH. So here unlimited hydrogen bonding with water, so it can be more associated with alcohol, water. So unlimited hydrogen bonding, because here polar hydrogen atom is present. In alcohol, polar hydrogen atom is present. So with an oxygen atom to polar. So in alcohol, extent of hydrogen bonding with water is maximum. So it is more soluble in water. But in ether, you see, in ether, extent of hydrogen bonding is very less. Suppose it is ether, R, O, R dash, here R. So two ether molecule can hold only one water molecule. Got my point? These oxygen cannot undergo any hydrogen bond because in ether has no polar hydrogen atom. I think you got it, no? So in ether,
Sir, in ether extent of
hydrogen bonding is very less. But in alcohol, extent of hydrogen bonding with water is maximum. So which is more soluble? Hello?
Alcohol.
Alcohol. Which has more boiling point?
Alcohol.
Which is more volatile?
sir ether.
Which has more vapor pressure?
So ether.
No. So all are related, interrelated. Alcohol, the solubility. Second question is related to all this. What I told. You say.
তো ইথারের কি মানে ভোলাটা মানে ভেপার প্রেসার বেশি হবে?
Ether intermolecular hydrogen bonding is less. Suppose which has more boiling point, alcohol or ether? That is the solubility. Okay. Ether is more soluble in water than alcohol. Now my question is between alcohol and ether of comparable molecular mass, which has more boiling point? Alcohol. Because then you have to show the hydrogen bonding with alcohol only. Suppose the ethanol, it can form hydrogen bond with another alcohol. It can form hydrogen bond with another alcohol, oxygen. So unlimited hydrogen bonding between alcohol. So alcohols are more associated. But you see in ether, dipole-dipole interaction is there, but there is no hydrogen bond in ether. Got my point? Ether is polar. There will be some intermolecular forces in terms of dipole-dipole force, but this dipole-dipole force is stronger. So because in ether there is no polar hydrogen atom. Between ether molecule there is no question of hydrogen bond. So which has more boiling point? Alcohol or ether?
Alcohol.
Which is more volatile?
Sir, ether.
Which has more vapor pressure according to Raoult's law?
Sir, ether.
Ether is more volatile, boiling point is less, it has no intermolecular hydrogen bond. But between ether molecule, dipole-dipole force is there because ethers are polar, but this dipole-dipole force is weaker than hydrogen bonding dipole-dipole force. Clear? Hello?
Sir, sir,
Say? Any doubt?
ইথারের হাইড্রোজেন বন্ডিংটা কম হয় কারণ স্যার হাইড্রোজেনটা পোলার না তাই
Ether no polar hydrogen, no polar. It is not polar. Suppose it is methoxymethane. These hydrogens are not polar. It is sp3 hybridized hydrogen. sp3 hybridized carbon containing hydrogen. So there is no question of polarity in this hydrogen. But in alcohol, this hydrogen is polar. delta plus, delta minus. So here intermolecular hydrogen bonding takes place, but here there is no question of intermolecular hydrogen bonding. Got it now? So clear na?
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Sir. Sir.
Question is number 1. Why alcohol is more soluble in water than ether? Because alcohol unlimited hydrogen bonding with water के साथ you show. Or ether, you have just seen 2 ether molecule can hold only 1 water molecule, and that is the one entity. But in alcohol, unlimited. So that is why ether is less soluble and alcohol is more soluble in water. Second question, why alcohol has more boiling point than ether? Then you have to answer in the light of hydrogen bonding between the molecules itself. Hydrogen bonding unlimited in alcohol, but in ether there is no hydrogen bonding. Only dipole-dipole force will exist, but it is weaker than hydrogen bonding force. You know. Why ethers have more vapor pressure than alcohol? Same answer. No hydrogen bonding, less association. Why ethers have less boiling point? Same answer. Clear, no? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Third question, do you see? Next question.
The electrophilic substitution in aromatic ethers.
Electrophilic substitution ortho and para position matlab we have to show the plaza resonance. Hello, Devapriya.
Yes, sir.
Same way you write, the key point you just will write in CBSE board exam. So this is an ether. R is methyl anisole, ethyl phenitol or ethoxybenzene. So oxygen 2 lone pairs and show the resonance. And in the resonance it is seen that ortho and para acquire which charge? In the resonance
Negative
form,
charge.
negative charge, you show the resonance like haloarine or phenol. So here you show oxygen. Oxygen O plus, one lone pair will be there, R here negative charge. Just plus or resonance you will show. One or two form you show. Ortho and para. This much only, etc. Remaining examiner will understand what you want to say. And in the resonance form, it is seen that ortho and para acquire negative charge, so electrophile will attack, etc. So electrophile will attack at ortho and para position. Clear, no? Hello? In the resonance structure, it is seen that ortho and para position acquire which charge? Negative charge.
The negative.
So electrophiles will attack at ortho and para position. No need to show the all the resonance. Plus a resonance. That is, electron pair will shift toward the conjugated system or towards benzene ring. Clear, na? Yaslin, Riddhi, Vitraj, Akash, Devapriya?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
The next one.
Sir.
Ethers are polar in nature.
স্যার এই কোশ্চেনটাতে স্যার খালি এই ডায়াগ্রাম গুলোই করব আর কিছু লিখতে হবে না এক্সট্রা করে মানে
Told na. Into plus or resonance, ortho and para acquire negative charge you have to write. So electrophiles will attack at ortho and para position methyl. Resonance, ortho and para you have shown a negative charge. That is the key point of the answer. You can show in ether. Lot of things you can write. sp2 hybridized electron withdrawing, oxygen has lone pair. That is no need to need not write. Here you show 2 lone pair and you have to present in this way in ether, aromatic ether definitely. Due to plus or resonance, ortho and para positions acquire negative charge. You have to write this one. And in the resonance form, it is seen that ortho and para negative charge is situated at ortho and para position, or electron density is very high at ortho and para position. So electrophile can attack at ortho and para position. These two sentences you will write, and after that you show the resonance. Clear, na?
ওকে স্যার
Diagram. What is the? It is not diagram. It is the.
মানে রেজোনেটিং স্ট্রাকচারস
Logic. It is not diagram. It is not diagram. It is the resonance forms. This is the important thing. Next one, why ethers are polar in nature? Just like you see, it is water. To Two lone pairs are there. This is ether. In ether, due to lone pair present on oxygen atom, two lone pairs present on oxygen atom, and there will be repulsive interaction between alkyl group. But the question is, it has more bond angle than water. Water has bond angle how much? 100? 5 degree or something, 105 point something. Its bond angle is 110 degree or 110.5 degree. Because the bulky group, there will be more steric repulsion. Water has not this type of structure. Is it the structure of water? Hello?
Sir, tetrahedral.
Tetrahedrally arranged, but it has, its shape is bent. Correct. Oxygen is sp3 hybridized, tetrahedrally arranged, but it is bent. Tetrahedrally arranged, but it is bent. But in ether also, due to the presence of lone pair on oxygen atom, first of all, the bond angle is very high compared to water due to repulsive interaction between alkyl group, and it is polar in nature, just like water. It has dipole moment like water. That is why I told you ether has little bit more boiling point due to dipole-dipole interaction, but less boiling point than alcohol, because hydrogen bonding dipole interaction is stronger than normal dipole-dipole. That you have studied in class 11. Weakest force is dispersion force, London dispersion. That is instantaneous dipole, induced dipole. Then dipole, induced dipole. Then dipole, dipole. Then dipole, dipole with hydrogen bonding. Na? Clear, na?